Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with My Creative Times 139th edition release. And so today starts the day of her sale, which is 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. So, as we have stated throughout the week, we all have discount codes. Each design team member, whether it be blog, YouTube, or Instagram, each design team member has their own personal code. Mine is MOE, M-O-E. So if you'd like to use mine to get your 15% off from today through Sunday midnight, you can use my code MOE. After that, it'll be a 10% discount. All right, and I don't want to keep you because I want you to be able to go around to everyone else's channels and check out and see what they have or go shopping. I am just going to show you the release products. Any products that I have made using all of my projects, it'll be linked down below, like day 1, day 2, and day 3 of the Sneaky Peeks, and you can just click on those links and check out all of the products that I use. So starting out, we have these cute little stamps, Giant Ginger Cupid add-ons, that would be this one. And the Sweet Ginger Cupid add-ons, that would be this one. Now, My Creative Time did make a slight mistake on here, and she will have that corrected for you, and it will be in your packages the right way. All right, so there goes that. And then starting here, this is the Sweet Ginger Cupid add-ons. And you can see all of those right there. So this is the layer for the quiver, the arrows. This is just a single arrow. I doubled up mine. It just works better that way. And then these arrows have the layering tops here. This is the strap to the quiver. All right, and then you see your clouds, and then this is that bow that goes with that arrow. All right, and the Giant Ginger add-ons are the exact same thing with an exception of these hearts here that go on top of the arrows that's in the quiver. They are stitched. The other ones were too small, but very cute set. Everything else is the exact same. All right. Oh, and this one has stitching on it too, both of those. All right, then we have the large prim hearts and the Cupid chocolate add-ons. This set has, these large prim hearts have 9 in each set. The Cupid add-ons, I forgot to tell you, they have 8 in each set. And then the Cupid chocolate add-ons have 5. These make some adorable hearts. I love them. This is that chocolate box. Super cute. I've seen so many cute creations from the design team. But love this set. All of the hearts have stitching here, and this one has just the stitching around here. This is the layer that will go on this part right here. This is the layer that will go on top of the bow, and this is the ribbon that goes across the heart. And you'll see that in my projects. And then the last day we had the large treat bag, and there were so many cute items with this bag. Jill gave a lot of sweet suggestions how to use the bag. This can also be used as a tag, and I want to make something with this as a tag. I didn't today, but I do want to make something with the tag for that. And then this is the pocket, and this right here would be your piece to put a handle on your bag if you'd like to. All right, so let's jump into the projects for day 1. So here are the projects that I used for day 1. Starting out, we had this big giant ginger Cupid girl. I thought she turned out adorable. And so as you can see, she's styling her pink glitter as well as the white glitter that's in the wings and in her hair, and she has such a cute little face. I love the fact that she put that little heart in the center of her eye, and then I accented her with some white with a white gel pen. And so anyway, she is just adorable. Let's start here. So I went back and grabbed some of her the smaller prim hearts that she had. in her previous release, and I put that with the wings there. Love is in the Air came from that Cupid add-on set, the large one, and then these are the clouds from the small Cupid add-ons. Just adorable, and that bow just shot the heart. So Love is in the Air. I did use her her cloud stencil in the back on her on one of her blue colored cardstocks, just as a base coat. But love how that turned out. In the inside, I used a couple hearts from those arrows. Just so pretty, and I did use that XOXO border frame die on that. Okay, and then on this one here, I used the torn paper frame edge dies as well as the layers. And then there goes that giant ginger Cupid add-on. I just wanted to give you some other ways of thinking of how to use your dies, so I just used that. I pulled out her hard alphabet dies, and I thought those were really pretty, just perfect. Everything is accented with hearts, and it looks just perfect together. Love how that looks. And then here goes the inside of that. And then if I didn't mention it, I'm not for sure if I did, but if I didn't, I'll have all of the links to Sneaky Peek Day 1, 2, and 3, and then that's where you'll find all of the products that I use for all of my projects. And then here goes the last one. A lot of products used on this one, so you have to go to Day 1 for this one. But I made a little Robin Hood. He is just adorable, adorable, adorable. Robin Hood robs from the rich and gives to the poor, so of course I had to put in a little pocket so that you could put your money or your gift card or something in the inside. But I used these, the Christmas greens for the trees in the back. This special delivery, I believe, came from the Cupid add-ons, the small one, the Sweet Ginger, and then I used the torn paper frame edges in the back. Now, one thing I forgot to link was the Halloween add-ons, and I'll have that link in that, but I used the jacket for this. But I thought that was just too cute, but everything else will be linked. I'll add that into the products used down below, but I did forget to add that on there. But super, super cute. He's adorable. There goes that pocket that you can have your money or whatever you'd like to put in there, but adorable. So he's robbing from the rich and giving to the poor. Love those for Day 1. Let's go on to Day 2. Okay, so here's what I made for Day 2. So we had the Cupid chocolate box add-ons, and we also have the large prim hearts. So let's take a closer look at this one. So bunch of fun circles, love that die. Then I use the eyelet doily dies. That lays perfectly on top of the bunch of fun circles, so love that. And then I did add some little gems around there. I don't know if you can see them, but they're there. And then glitter cardstock for the ribbon and the bow. And then I did ink this up with Distress ink. Not sure what I used, but the paper pack and everything will be listed down below for Day 2. There goes that XOXO stamp that came from one of the Ginger Cupid add-ons. I think the giant Ginger Cupid add-ons is where that came from. And then I did add a little gem and a garment pin to hang that off to the side. And I did not do the inside yet. Not sure if I will, but if I do, it'll probably be just a layer of the bunch of fun circles in the inside. All right, so that's that one. And then I love, love, love this card. Now this card can be used not just for Valentine's Day, it can be used for birthday or anniversary. Perfect for anniversary, actually, to use those large prim hearts and the little tulips. I love those things. It turned out so cute. I did pop them up, so they have some dimension on there. I made an extra pocket to shove those little tulips down in there. And I did that just by cutting another layer and just snipping that part right there. But I do show all that in my previous videos. So, but really, really cute. This came from the giant Ginger Cupid add-ons, I believe. All right, and so I love that. There goes that. Love that for Day 2, and on to Day 3. Okay, everyone, and this is what I made for Day 3 Sneaky Peek with the large treat bag. So, as I said before on the other video, this was a bonus. I didn't really care for how it turned out, but I still wanted to share it. So this is my actual project that I showed. So I used the large brim hearts, fun size bow. I did create a pocket that came with the large treat bag. I also used the insert for the handle there. And then on the back side, almost the same, but I used the rosette, the heart rosette die, the eyelet doily dies that's behind that, and then another pocket there. All right, and so I did create the sides to my box or my treat bag, and but you can use My Creative Times create a treat bag. The only thing you would have to do is trim that down to about 1 inch, like the flaps. Trim the flaps down to about 1 inch, and then on her treat bag, you would cut this off, and then just use these two, and then you can put that together. And I might do a tutorial, because I did have somebody to ask me if I would show how I created that. So just keep a lookout. Hopefully I won't forget, because sometimes I do forget. So I apologize already if I've forgotten. Just giving me a reminder. And then the next box that I made, this was actually my first attempt. And I changed that pocket into a larger pocket by just laying that up twice. I layered it up twice. And then I also took out her, the cute heart dies, and I cut that out, used a smaller one, and this is the larger one so that you can see down in there, and I did put some acetate on there. And then on the back side, this is how it is there. I used the smaller teacup die, the medium-sized one, to cut out that, just to have a smaller insert. But what I didn't like about this box was that I should have lowered that down to just make it even with this. That's what I didn't like, so I didn't finish the box. But I did want to show it to you, because just to show you that you can have a bigger pocket if you'd like. So it turns out really cute. So those are all of my projects that I made for this release. Hopefully you like all of the inspiration that each and every design team member has given you. Make sure you grab a discount code. Like I said, mine is MOE capitalized. That's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.